Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. In November 1979, Iranian militants seized the U.S. Embassy in Tehran, taking several Americans hostage. In response, the U.S. military launched a daring joint rescue mission known as Operation Eagleclaw, which aimed to insert special forces troops into Iran using helicopters to reach a remote desert rendezvous point. From there, the team planned to advance toward Tehran and free the hostages. However, severe sandstorms, mechanical issues, and a tragic collision forced the mission's cancellation.
It's a big discussion with the powers that be there next to the airplanes, and they decided we cannot go on because we don't have enough helicopters to carry everybody that needed to be involved in the operation. So we basically aborted the whole thing and were ready to go home when the aircraft, one of the helicopters ran into the other C-130, and a terrible fire ensued. And so then it was just, let's gather everybody up that we can and go back to Masira. And that's basically what we did.
Despite its failure, Operation Eagleclaw exposed critical limitations in existing aircraft and underscored the need for a versatile, long-range platform capable of combining airplane speed with helicopter maneuverability, eventually inspiring the development of the V-22 Osprey. Before taking off, the aircrew performs pre-flight checks on the V-22 Osprey to ensure everything works perfectly. The aircrew inspects the exterior thoroughly, examines the fuselage, and checks the electronic systems. Once the pre-flight inspection is complete, the pilot proceeds to take off. The V-22 Osprey can carry up to 32 troops or 20,000 pounds of internal cargo while boasting a higher top speed than most helicopters, making it an essential part of the United States military. It was designed to carry out a variety of missions, including transporting troops and equipment, inserting and retrieving special operations units, and conducting search and rescue operations with greater speed and range than conventional helicopters and better maneuverability than fixed-wing aircraft. The primary mission of the V-22 Osprey is to conduct long-range infiltration, exfiltration, and resupply missions for Special Operations Forces. The V-22 Osprey uses a tilt rotor to take off and land like a helicopter, but converts to a turboprop airplane while in flight.
What we're able to do that no other platform can is convert from a helicopter to an airplane in mid-flight and then back into a helicopter for landing, allowing us to go to spots that similar type airplanes can't go to.
The aircraft consists of two large three-bladed rotors that rotate in opposite directions to produce lift. The wing tilts the rotors between airplane and helicopter modes and generates lift in the airplane mode. The V-22 can convert from helicopter to airplane mode in around 12 seconds. From aircraft carriers at sea to anywhere on the ground, the V-22 Osprey can land anywhere. In the vast deserts of rural New Mexico, a U.S. Air Force CV-22 Osprey found itself grounded after experiencing an in-flight emergency that forced an immediate landing. What followed was a months-long effort by the dedicated maintenance crew of the 727th Special Operations Aircraft Maintenance Squadron, or 727 SOAMXS. Stranded far from base, these skilled airmen worked tirelessly in challenging conditions, enduring heat, dust, and isolation to repair the advanced tilt-rotor aircraft. Through persistence and teamwork, the crew overcame logistical hurdles and environmental challenges to bring the Osprey back to operational status. After months of hard work, the aircraft was finally cleared for flight, lifting off once again to continue its mission.
It's an indescribable feeling, having spent so much time and effort, literally blood, sweat, and tears into something, and watch it fly off into the distance is just an extreme, heartwarming feeling.
This successful recovery demonstrated not only the technical skill of Air Force maintainers, but also their unwavering commitment to keeping America's most versatile aircraft flying strong. The successful recovery of the V-22 in New Mexico serves as a powerful reminder that behind every aircraft's mission success lies the dedication of skilled maintenance teams working in the background. Whether it's a tilt rotor operating in harsh desert conditions or a combat helicopter flying close to the front lines, maintenance remains the lifeline of military aviation. This same principle extends to the Marine Corps' AH-1W Super Cobra, the world's first dedicated attack helicopter, which also depends on continuous upkeep and precision to deliver its firepower when Marines need it most. Super Cobras form the backbone of the Marine Corps Air-to-Ground Task Force and provide close air support to Marines under fire. They are also used for ground attack coordination, with pilots trained to call in artillery or mortars on positions while orbiting above the battlefield. It is important to maintain the main rotor of the AH-1W. Initially, a photosensor located on the helicopter measures the sweep and track of rotor blades. The maintenance technicians read the outputs of the photosensor on a computer and make the necessary adjustments to the rotor blades. The adjustments may involve increasing and decreasing the pitch of the rotor blades or varying the weight throughout the main rotor hub to adjust the track and the balance of the blades. These adjustments are necessary to allow the helicopter to fly at maximum efficiency. The AH-1W features a 3-barrel 20mm Gatling cannon, which sometimes fails to stow properly and must be manually stowed during landing. This is referred to as a dropped gun. The aircrew stands under the hovering helicopter and tries to stow the weapon manually. If they cannot stow the Gatling cannon, they use a cargo strap to hold the gun as the helicopter attempts to land. The routine maintenance procedure of the AH-1W Super Cobra is quite similar to the V-22 Osprey. Initially, the maintenance teams inspect the helicopter and look for any wear and tear.
Yeah. Because, we got this thing.
The technicians then refuel the aircraft, adjust the rotor blades, reload the weapons, and replace the parts that are due for replacement during the routine inspection. The AH-1W is a force to be reckoned with. It features a wide range of weaponry, such as the 20mm M197 Gatling cannon, Hydra 70 rockets, Zuni rockets, tow missiles, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. The U.S. military often conducts live-fire demos to showcase the capabilities of the AH-1W and launch missiles on supposed targets on the ground. The U.S. Navy's duty to defend the nation extends far beyond the surface of the sea. While sailors are trained to battle the relentless power of ocean waves, the challenges grow exponentially when missions descend into the deep. Deep ocean salvage operations are among the most demanding and dangerous tasks undertaken by naval forces. These missions are often launched to recover lost aircraft, equipment, or critical evidence resting hundreds of feet below the surface. Two notable examples include the recovery of a U.S. Navy FA-18 Super Hornet and a P-8 Poseidon aircraft in 2015 and 2023, respectively. The FA-18 crashed shortly after takeoff from the aircraft carrier USS Theodore Roosevelt following an engine failure, sending the jet plunging to the bottom of the Persian Gulf. Both the pilot and weapons systems officers safely ejected, but the wreckage lay nearly 190 feet underwater. Navy divers and explosive ordnance disposal technicians collaborated in the difficult recovery. Battling currents, visibility issues, and extreme pressure to bring the aircraft back to the surface. Such missions highlight the Navy's exceptional skill, determination, and engineering capability to retrieve vital assets from the ocean's depths, ensuring lessons are learned and readiness is continually improved. Unlike the recovery of the smaller FA-18 fighter, salvaging the U.S. Navy's P-8 Poseidon was a far more complex and demanding operation due to its massive size and the sensitive environment in which it came to rest. Assigned to Patrol Squadron 4, the P-8 Poseidon is a long-range anti-submarine warfare and maritime patrol aircraft. Based on the Boeing 737 next-generation airframe, equipped with advanced sensors, torpedoes, harpoon missiles, naval mines, and sonobuoys, the Poseidon plays a crucial role in global maritime security operations. The aircraft's accident occurred when it overshot the runway during landing at the Marine Corps Air Station in Kaneohe Bay, Hawaii. The aircraft came to rest partially submerged in the bay's shallow waters, an area renowned for its delicate coral reefs and marine biodiversity. Before recovery could begin, Navy divers conducted a detailed hydrographic survey of the site to map the seabed and assess structural conditions. The inspection revealed that the aircraft was resting on coral at 2 points, with its fuselage still afloat. To prevent further damage, the Poseidon was carefully anchored in place. Protecting the fragile marine ecosystem and ensuring the safety of the salvage team became top priorities. To raise and recover the aircraft with minimal environmental impact, inflatable salvage roller bags were positioned beneath the fuselage. These large, cylindrical flotation devices gradually lifted the P-8 and allowed crews to roll it gently toward shore. From the deserts of Iran to the depths of the Pacific, the story of military aviation is one of courage, ingenuity, and relentless determination. Whether it's the development of the V-22 Osprey inspired by the lessons of Operation Eagleclaw, the tireless maintenance of aircraft like the AH-1W Super Cobra, or the Navy's daring deep-sea recoveries of the FA-18 and P-8 Poseidon. Each mission reveals the dedication of the men and women who keep these machines flying and fighting. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.